today I'll be showing you a few ingredients on how to make, well, a few ideas on how to make slime. This might be one idea, but you know, I'll see if this works. I tried this before and this works, but I actually have a different coconut oil, so let's just see if this works. So what you'll need is a container, something to mix with. I'm just using the bottom of a fork, some of your coconut oil, some cleaning, and sorry, I can't really read that, disinfecting lens care system. Some foaming wrap lotion, and just a little bit of moisturizing conditioner. Now, the first thing you're going to add is your coconut oil. It depends on how much slime you want. Coconut oil is important because it has a thick consistency. So yeah. After I put this in, I'll be right back. Oh yeah, and one more thing. You'll also need a freezer, which everybody should have that. But anyway, I just added a small amount because I didn't want as much slime. But anyway, after you add your coconut oil, you will have to add some of your cleaning and disinfecting the lens care system. So you're just gonna add a few squirts, which I'm only adding 3 for now. And now you're just gonna stir. I will be back when I'm done stirring. It was a little hard to stir because of the coconut oil, so I added about more than 15 more squirts of your lens care system. So yeah, this is what it looked like after I was finished stirring, but that's not it. It looks foamy for your angle, but it really looks white and shiny. But now what we're going to add, oh yeah, I don't think I mentioned it for our items. You'll also need deep clean max. So yeah, so after you add your lens cleaning care to your coconut oil, you'll add a few sprays of your deep clean max. So I only added a little, and once I've added some, it got bubbly. So, oops, sorry, I accidentally took a picture. Well, that's the kind of slime I want. I want bubbly slime. So that's actually good for me. If you don't want bubbly slime, then don't add too much of the deep clean max. But I want bubbly slime, so. Oh yeah, and something about the foaming wrap. If you don't want soft and squishy slime, don't add that. But I want bubbly, soft, squishy slime, so I'm going to add that. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done stirring this. Okay, while I was at stirring, I added a few more sprays of the deep clean max because I just want it really like bubbly. So yeah, this is how it turned out when I finished stirring it. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you want the slime to be like mine, then go ahead and add 10 more of the deep clean max because that's how much I added. we are going to add more of your cleaning and disinfecting lens clear system. Only 3 squirts. It's fine. Okay, I'll be back. I'm sorry, I paused it a lot, but I'll be back when I'm done stirring this. The cleaning and disinfecting lens clear system is really important if you want your slime to be stretchy. So that's why you're gonna have to add a lot in this progress. Well, anyway, now that you've added more of your cleaning and disinfecting lens care system, you will need to add some of your, you guessed it, foaming wrap lotion. Okay, all I basically added was foam and take all the liquid out because I didn't really want it as liquidy and stretchy. I just want it foamy, bubbly, and kind of that stretch is added. That's what slime is all about. Stress taking and stretchy. And it feels good. But yeah, it's in there. I'm gonna just touch it. And as you see, it isn't really sticking. So now I'm just going to stir it all. Okay guys, go ahead and take your second container out of your cabinet because you'll definitely need it for this next part. Okay, so what you'll need for this next part is your mixture conditioning or mixture conditioner and more of your deep clean max and just a little bit conditioner, regular conditioner, like this conditioner. But yeah, okay, what you're gonna add first is, I know this is kind of weird to add first, but you're really gonna need to add this first. Some of your deep clean max. If you want it bubbly, keep adding some, and the bubbles will come. Trust me. Okay. I tried to add a lot of bubbles. Now what you'll need is your moisture conditioner because this is kind of like kind of like what's it called, glue, but it's not used for things sticking together. I barely have any more because of the slime I made earlier. Because I made a huge one that I actually gave back to my friend. As you see, some is coming out. You really need this. I don't know why I couldn't just go to the store. Well, I asked my mom to go to the store and get some more. But you know, lazy people. If you know how I feel lazy people, go ahead and relate. Ugh, it's not coming out. Wow, and if it does come out, it just falls. I don't really know where it's going because I'm looking at the camera instead of looking at the little thingy. Go. I don't know if that's it. I see a little bit more, but man, well, it's just gonna have to be watery, foamy slime mixture. Okay, well, anyway, since that's not coming out, I am going to add just a little bit of your... Well, anyway, guys, my hater, so-called sister, I had to shut everything down. So, but I will be making a part 2 pretty soon. Even though I don't know where I left off because of my hater. But if you just follow my instructions, then you will get there. And you will get to a bubbly, soft, squishy, stretchy slime. So, thank you all for coming, and Royal Savages, I'm out. Peace.